Hello everybody, so today I will talk about ASVAB Arithmetic reasoning. After receiving the stimulus check, $600, a person bought PlayStation 5 that cost $500. What is the percentage of the remain? So the remain is mean after you purchasing, how much money you left, and this is about remain. And we need to calculate this one. Remain is about $600. This is from the money you receive minus 500, and you got about $100. Now we will use about the percentage in here. Percentage, we will have about $100 divided to the total money you receive is about 600. Multiply with 100%, and we know that there are two zero in here. We can cross out the two zero in the numerator and denominator, and you got about 1/6. Multiply with 100%. 1 divided to 6, you got about 0.1667. Multiply with 100%, and you got about 16.67%. And the answer for the question in here is about A. That's the end. Thank you for watching.